Good morning, Belinda. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, good. Thank you, thank you. So today I'm introducing Belinda, who defeated her diabetes. Uh, For diabetes, she was suffering from last more than 10 years. Varicose veins, more than 10, 15 years. Now she could see the very visible results. Now we'll listen from her what experience she got, how she enjoyed this 30 days Activate Defeat Diabetes program. Belinda, as I told already, how long you were suffering with the diabetes and what challenges you were facing before joining research.
I was suffering from diabetes for about 10 years. Maybe before that also it had started, but I wasn't aware of it until I took a test and realized. And varicose veins also about 15 years it
Mm.
was going on. The challenges that I was facing is like I had tingling in my feet and varicose veins were there, dry skin, hair was falling off. Like,
Mm.
I could see like changes in my body. Then even the blood flow, like, not very good. And hardening of the under the feet and on the palms of the hand,
Mm.
like those things. So it wasn't very nice thing, like, to experience.
Mm.
And I was always like, should I eat this or should I eat that? So I used to get worried. So I would not eat fruits and, I would just go through YouTube. This is not good. That is not good. It was so confusing. Sometimes, you don't know what is the right thing and what is the wrong thing to
Mm.
do. Yeah. So these were the things I was facing, challenges, feeling tired,
Mm.
sleepy all the time, like no energy in the body.
Mm.
Sometimes I would feel a little bit energetic, and then like if I do something and I'm very tired, very sleepy.
Mm.
So that was one thing, weakness and all that. Yeah. And feeling hungry and sugar cravings.
Sugar
That
cane.
was also there, sugar cravings.
Mm.
Yeah. So after I eat food, I want some sweet to eat. Then, like, debating, your mind is like, should I not? And it's not a nice place to be in, like,
So, Belinda, what made you decide to join the researcher community after trying your own stuff?
Yeah, I did not take any medication as such. Whatever was given to me, I wasn't taking it regularly. And then at one point, I completely stopped. So because, I noticed how other people, how their bodies were eating, because they used to take medicine and then someone's kidneys are spoiled, someone's feet, they are cutting the feet, and then they are eating little, whatever they're eating, and yet the diabetes is not going down, or the wound is taking a long time, and they're barely eating anything like boiled, really boiled sort of vegetable water. And I've seen my relatives and all do that, and I didn't want to be in that state. So one thing I know is medicines were not good.
Mm.
So on my own, I stopped. So I would try watch YouTube. I would ask some people, and like that way. I was always scared what to eat and what to remove from my diet, and
Mm.
how much can I eat. And I love fruits, so that was one thing that I had to cut out. Then and every time like to think of eating, yeah, how the diet is given for diabetics.
Mm.
So I was not enjoying it also, but at the same time I was trying to take care of myself, so it was confusing. I didn't know what was the thing I should eat, what I should avoid, and then how much can I eat, timings, nothing. I had no idea about that. But somehow I managed for so many years. And then, like, I knew I had to do something because my diabetes would range from around 180, 200, 250 sometimes if I know when I'm eating. So then I said, no, I cannot, because I don't want in my old age to be, dependent and be not in a healthy state. So that's when I came across your ad,
Mm.
and I felt like this was because you said it's no medicines and it's all food and your diet, and also I felt that it would work, and something inside me, just felt like doing, and I just joined this course because I needed it. needed it very badly. I had to reverse my whatever was going on within me,
Mm.
just for myself, to feel healthy, to feel energetic, because still feeling tired and sleepy at times, and the varicose veins were still there. So
Mm.
I wasn't doing something right.
Mm.
Although I was doing something on my own also, it wasn't exactly what was suitable for me. Yeah.
So now
So
this varicose vein, right? You said it's more than 15 years. Now it's disappearing slowly, slowly. It's almost
yeah,
gone. So now you are saying now I can wear my minis and all. So how you feel?
yeah.
How you feel
I
happy?
feel good. I feel good because I used to not wear the shorter dresses
Mm.
because of the discoloration on the legs.
Mm.
Second, the puffiness that used to come when I stand a little or I do some extra work and all. The whole shape of the leg used to change,
Mm.
and then it doesn't look good. So I had to wear either long pants, or I had to wear, I couldn't wear my shorts, or when we go to the beach or something like that, I couldn't wear my middies or any kind of clothes which
Mm.
I wear regularly. So now it feels really good. Yes.
Good, very good. Now, if you would have not joined this program, so where would you think your health be after many years, after few years?
After a few years, I think it would have gone really worst,
Mm.
because as you know, we get older, we say like we become weaker, whatever, whatever, whatever. But and I didn't want that. So if I had think I'm not done, I would now in this 1 month changes that I've seen are amazing. So
Mm.
I know I'm not going down that lane where you are becoming weaker and it's getting reversed. So I'm enjoying it and I love it, because I know that if I had not done this,
Mm.
you know, I would have deteriorated, because there were things I was not doing right,
Mm.
which after listening to you and all, I started following and I knew. So
Mm.
I'm not like blindly looking here and there. I know what I have to do
Mm.
because of the guidance that I got. Yeah.
Now, in this our program, we go for the fasting. So now you say when you fast, you say, I don't feel hungry. I feel very energetic. Please, could you share that
Yes.
about?
Yes. The first time I fasted, water fasting, actually, what you had said, the main thing is drink whenever you feel hungry, or you had always said like either eat fruit or whatever. Yes. So I took that in my mind, and whenever I was like, I used to keep my stomach full with water and feel hydrated and all. With that, I didn't feel hungry till it was time to have next whatever meal it was. I was feeling good, and the second time I did it, it was really, I enjoyed it. I didn't feel anything. I did my regular work. I did everything because I already now I know how to do it. You
Hmm.
know, so otherwise, I don't think on my own I would have known this.
Yeah.
Like water fasting. Water fasting. How can I do water fasting? I've never done fasting, even during any of these festivals or anything. I don't do fasting
Hmm.
like this. So I did not do fasting before. So for me, it was very nice. Yeah,
Very good, very
and
good.
I'm enjoying it now. I enjoy water fasting.
So you'd like to continue fasting, right? You.
Yes, yes.
Now, if someone is watching your when someone is watching your video and they are still suffering with the diabetes and on the medications, diabetic medications, especially on the insulin. Now, I see many people, patients, they're coming with the insulin. Now, what suggestion would you like to give to them?
Whatever you are given, whatever ways and means, and what we have to eat and everything, it's perfect for each person. You're perfecting it according to their needs. So what they are suffering from and whatever. And here by taking medicines, we are harming ourselves. The
Hmm.
medicines are there just to whatever
Managing.
settle the thing, managing it. It is not there to heal. But
Hmm.
this is your body. You're helping your body to heal itself.
Very good, very
And
good.
that's when the changes will actually take place. Otherwise, you're just managing. You're managing all the time.
Hmm.
Oh, it's gone up. Let me manage it. Take the medicines, and it's gone down. It's leveled up. And then again, it continues. And how long you're going to take these medicines which have side effects?
Hmm.
And it's going to affect your kidneys. It's going to affect your liver. It's going to affect every part of your body, eyes, and everything. Everyone knows it.
Yeah.
And whoever got diabetes and are taking it, they have already experienced it. And then doctors just add medicines to your medicines. So it's no point, I feel, and we must, do something for ourselves
Hmm.
and use a little bit of a, not go blindly like, you know, just because everyone is doing it. There are ways our body is so beautifully made that we can recover with whatever God has provided.
So
So
much good
that
to know.
guidance I got from you. So I would suggest them to join because, and you are not saying like forever and for this, you're giving a timing. And after that, I'm able to manage on my own.
Hmm.
So I do not need anyone. I don't need a doctor. I don't need anyone, to
So
continue my journey. That's what.
it's very good.
So
Very
I would say join, yes, and learn how to manage your diet and everything, what exercises you need, and what to do when certain things happen. And that's it, I think.
very
Yeah.
good. And what you liked about
It.
Visarja program?
Yes, I like the fact that it is very adjusting to my uh, food habits as well,
Hmm.
like what I like to eat. And also based on that, it just helped me to, it's not like you have to do this and in this way only, and you have to, it gives you some space to breathe as well, you
Hmm.
know. It
Hmm.
gives you some, it's not like strictly you are like, shouting and doing this and why didn't you do that, and no, we all make mistakes, we all, it's a process, and you're allowing that space to go through our process and to get better.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Belinda, for such a lovely testimony and the feedback.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, because you helped me out so much.
yeah.
Yes.
Stay connected. Now you're the part of a Visarja community. Stay healthy always. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank